Okay, and at Trent's Grocery, and I got breakfast here, a couple of sliders, egg, bacon, cheese, and gonna eat those up and then get on the road. What we get to do today, we get to hike the Appalachian Trail. Okay, it's 7:45. Just got done eating at Trent's Grocery, breakfast, a couple of biscuits. We're on trail today going to Perrysburg, 14 miles. Going to stay at Angel Rest Hostel overnight and get a resupply in Perrysburg. Okay. Okay, so that white house down there is Trent's Grocery. So I had to walk the road back to the trail, half mile, and now I'm up on top of the mountain a little bit, getting this picture of Trent's Grocery from the mountain. Okay, we come across this nice stream here, the mountains, so just off trail a little bit, so I walked over and took the pictures. And the video, this goes over Dismal Falls, but told me it wasn't that great of a spot. It's 3/10 in, 3/10 out, that's over half mile to get a little bit much to get a picture of a lousy waterfall. Not a very good waterfall. All right, moving on. All right, back in the green tunnel again. Got a turn coming up, as you can see from the blazes on this tree. Unless it's just a single blaze, then put another one over top of it. Oh, it's got a crack in it. It's got a crack in it. That's what they're talking about. All right, so coming to this little pine forest. Track's not too bad. Trail's pretty level, a little ruddy, but I can do a little video here and walk along. Got this green stuff on the ground on both sides. That's pretty cool. Looks a little bit like Michigan to some extent. So it's not full of rocks, just full of roots. Couple up ahead of me didn't hear where they were from. He's had foot problems. She's doing all right. This is tough, very tough hiking Appalachian Trail. All right, so we've been hiking about 7.5 miles, and it's about 10:30, and we had an 800-foot climb, no, 1,500-foot climb, my bad, 1,500-foot climb over 2.5 miles coming, pretty much straight up. And when I get over that, then it's pretty level for a while. Then you go down and go back up one more time, and then we'll be at the shelter. So I'm gonna water up here, the first sign of good water, and drink a liter, make a liter, and then head on up. Catch you later. All right, we're at Wapiti Shelter, and there's the glorious Privy. Nobody's here but me. Gonna eat some lunch and go back down to the creek and water up, and then we're gonna climb that 1,500 feet over 2 miles. Lovely. Then we're on to the next shelter. All right, I believe this is where there was a murder or two. I think a guy killed somebody here, and then he went to prison, and he came back and he killed 2 more. But that's lore. I don't know if that's true or not. So, but I think it is. So Wapiti Shelter in Virginia. Wapiti Shelter in Virginia, mile 618. Okay, looks like I got a little water challenge here. Hopefully we can get across there by stepping on those 3 rocks, 1, 2, 3, and over that big one. Who's first? Well, you could almost say this is cobblestone, but pretty cool. I don't think I got these lined up here on this way on purpose, but relatively flat. It's just not too bad. A lot of rocks. So we're up on this ridge, climbed up here 1,500 feet, over 2 miles. You could do the math at $7.50 a mile for those who didn't want to do the math. Straight up, 2 miles an hour is all the best I could do. I did do it in an hour, just a little better than an hour, which is pretty good. Midday, after doing 8 miles, or 1,500 feet over 2 miles, and we're down to under 7 miles to the shelter, and it's like 2:15, so I'm doing really good. A little ridge running here, and then another up, short one, 500, and then down to the shelter. Okay, pretty cool little campsite here. Room for several tents, it looks like. Some over there, flat stuff too. So put this house, nice little fireplace, fire pit, little seat there, some seats there. Yeah, and we're way up here. Got 3-4 hours to do 7 miles, and we're gonna get there. Okay, welcome to Appalachia. We got buzzards flying lower than us right now. And there's a hawk. We're way up here. Just a gorgeous valley there with the trees in the way. And then miles and miles of more valleys way over there. I'll say it again, like I have before. Why would you want to hike the Appalachian Trail? It's worth it. It really is. A lot of hard work, but sometimes you get to see stuff like this. This is pretty darn cool. Well, I've been waiting for a good view all day, and this is it. Virginia Ridges, Virginia Mountains, Virginia Valleys. About a mile from the shelter, maybe 9/10. It's gonna go down, I think, into some place where I can get some water. That'll be good, almost out. Cloudy all day, pretty much like this. Not much sunshine. It was warm, cooling off a little bit now, and some wind. Had some sprinkles, but other than that, it was a great day of hiking. 17 miles in today, 19 yesterday. So we're matriculating up the state here slowly. We're at mile 636, I think. 626, 27, somewhere there. Anyway, no, 637. And when I get to 670, I'll be in Virginia for 200 miles, so 50 more miles. All right, have a great night. God bless everybody.